Here are some daily use question and answers. What is your name?
My name is Alice.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Stranger Things.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Do you like movie?
Yes, I like movie.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading a book.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.